Adding a PDF to your Mailchimp campaign involves uploading the PDF to Mailchimp and linking it within your email. Here's how to do it. Log into Mailchimp. Visit Mailchimp's website and log in with your credentials. Create or edit a campaign. Click on Campaigns and either create a new campaign by clicking Create Campaign or select an existing campaign to edit. Access the email builder. Click Design Email to enter the email builder where you can customize your email content. Upload the PDF. In the Content section, click on the link icon in the toolbar or create a new text or button block where you want to add the link to your PDF. Click the link icon in the toolbar of the text block or the button block. Insert the PDF link. In the link options, click File. Click Upload to upload the PDF file from your computer. Once uploaded, select the PDF and click Insert. The PDF link will be inserted into your email content. Customize the link text or button. If using a text link, highlight the text you want to hyperlink and paste the PDF URL. For a button, enter the URL directly into the link field in the button settings. Save and test. Click Save and close to save your changes. Use the preview option to ensure the link works correctly. Send a test email to yourself to verify the link directs to the PDF. Send your campaign. Once confirmed, finalize your email content and send your campaign.